Belay Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll provide a detailed review of Belay, a premium platform that connects businesses with virtual assistants, bookkeepers, social media strategists, and other remote professionals. Links to Belay and related resources are in the description below for your convenience. Let's get started. Belay stands out as a high-quality service designed for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and executives who need expert support for administrative and specialized tasks. Unlike typical freelancer platforms, Belay offers a tailored approach, carefully matching clients with US-based professionals who align with their needs. Services include virtual assistants, bookkeeping, social media management, and even web specialists, making it a one-stop solution for various business operations. A key feature of Belay is its rigorous hiring process. Each freelancer is thoroughly vetted, ensuring you work with experienced and skilled professionals. This is ideal for those who prioritize reliability and expertise over low-cost solutions. Additionally, Belay assigns a dedicated account manager to oversee the onboarding process and ensure a smooth working relationship between clients and their matched professionals. The platform offers customized pricing based on the type of service and hours required, making it flexible enough to accommodate different business sizes and needs. While the pricing is on the premium side, it reflects the quality and professionalism of the services provided. The peace of mind that comes from delegating critical tasks to a qualified expert is often worth the investment for many users. Belay is best suited for businesses or individuals who want a dependable partner for essential functions like administrative management, financial tasks, or online presence optimization. It's especially appealing to professionals who lack the time or resources to hire in-house staff, but still need top-tier support. In summary, Belay is a premium solution for businesses seeking high-quality, US-based remote talent for critical tasks. If you're ready to enhance your productivity and focus on what you do best, check out the links in the description to learn more about Belay's offerings and get started today.